Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the stroke. Introduction. Stroke is the fifth leading cause of the death in the US, and with the one person dying every 4 minutes for black people, stroke the third leading cause of death. It is the second leading cause of the death in the world. Approximately 8 lakh people have a stroke each every about the one every 40 seconds. Stroke occurs due to the problems with the blood supply to the brain. Either the blood supply block or block the blood vessels within the brain requires causing the brain tissue to die. A stroke is a medical emergency and treatment must be sought as quickly as possible. Definition. A stroke is defined as the clinical syndromes of the rapid onset of cerebral deficits lasting more than 24 hours or leading off to the death with no apparent cause other than a vascular one. A stroke is a rapid loss of brain function due to the disturbance the blood supply to the brain. A stroke happens when blood flow is to the part of the brain stop and sometimes called the brain attack. Third, clot block on and the artery in the brain causing the stroke. Blood clot travels in the bloodstream. Blood clot can form during arterial fibrillation. Epidemiology. Third most common cause of the death after the cancer and the ischemic heart disease. Most common cause of the severe physical disability. Prevalence of the stroke in the India is about 1.54 per 1000. Death rate is about 0.6 per 1000. Incidence and the prevalence of the stroke is on the rise due to increasing the adoption of the unhealthy lifestyle and an increasing the life expectancy. Types. There are the three main kind of stroke: ischemic stroke, hemorrhagic, and transient ischemic stroke (TIA), also referred to as the mini stroke. Ischemic stroke: blood clots stop the flow of the blood to an area of the brain. Next, the blood leak in the blood tissue, in the brain tissue, so weaken the diseased blood rupture. There are the hemorrhagic stroke. Ischemic stroke area, there are the deprive of the blood, obstructive blocks, blood flow to the part of the brain. Hemorrhagic stroke area of the bleeding, weakened vessel wall ruptured causing the bleeding in the brain. Ischemic stroke, blood clots stop the flow of the blood to an area of the brain. Area of brain affected by TIA, carotid artery. There are formation of the blood clot in carotid artery. What are the causes of the TIA? Large artery atherosclerosis, cardiac aortic embolism, smart artery occlusions. Other causes unknown, cytogenic embolism, other cytogenic, unknown, incomplete evaluation, unclassified. Ischemic stroke is the most common form of the stroke, accounting for around 85% of stroke. This type of stroke is caused by the blockages or the brain, resulting in ischemic severely reduced blood flow. These blockages are often caused by the blood clot. Clot can be caused by fatty deposit within the artery called plaque. Hemorrhagic stroke are caused by the artery in the brain, either leaking blood or bursting open. The ruptures can be caused by the conditions such as hypertension, trauma, blood thinning, medications, and anorexia. Transient ischemic stroke is from the TI should be regarded as a medical emergency. In today's class, I discuss about the stroke. Thank you for watching.